What's up, everybody? This is Aircreteharry, and I'm coming to you today with another product review. So Himney sent me this garden hose reel, and it's a really nice system. Really good if you have a garden around your home and you want to use it for watering the plants and things. It retracts and comes out and locks really neatly. The wall-mounted retractable hose reel comes with 65 feet of hose plus 6 feet of hose made of durable PVC material. So the extra 6 feet is so you can mount it up to 6 feet away from a spigot where you would screw it in to supply the water. The unique retractable and guidance system can roll up the hose neatly without the trouble of kinking, which is a really good feature. It's always a pain in the butt when you have to coil up your hose yourself and hang it. This is a much better system. Automatically locks at the position so you don't have to pull it all the time. It includes an adjustable stopper to keep the cord within your preferred length for use all the time. All-weather, flexible, and abrasion-resistant hybrid hose ensures that the hose leak resistant and long-lasting. That's always nice to have. The garden hose reel can be mounted on a wall with the bracket and can swivel 180 degrees. The water hose reel includes an 8-pattern hose nozzle for different watering needs for flowers, lawns, floors, car washing, etc. And you can see here in the image shower, cone, angle, center, mist, flat, full. It has all the different settings on the head. The water hose reel includes 8-pattern hose nozzle for different watering needs of flowers, lawns, floors, car wash, etc. And it comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee with every purchase. Pretty nice. You can check the description box below for a link to this hose. Here you can see I've pulled it out. You can see it just resting now. And the clicking is as you pull it, every click is where you can lock it. And all you have to do is let it go and it will automatically lock into position. And here it's sucking up the hose on its own. Really nice and neat system to have, and it looks good. It would be really nice mounted to your home on the side of the house in the backyard.